I wonder where this goes after you record.
Is the Ace of Vegas, the Ace of Vegas.
Let's play just a little My Konami. Let's extend it another 15 minutes. Let's do a post show. We're going to do another 15 minutes with some My Konami. And before it gets too late, I'm going to go ahead and head back to the Watchtower and watch some Bird Box with Wendy, because we've been meaning to watch that. We watched a little bit of it at my niece's birthday party. Don't ask why, we had Bird Box on with at a 9-year-old's birthday party. But, that's just what happened. And we had a good time. So, let's go ahead and get on this. Alright, cool. What are we going to play? Do we want to play? Oh, actually, let's play in the tournament. It's a 15-minute tournament. Let's see if we place. That's perfect. Let's get on this. Let's see if we win the tournament here. Alright. It's Saturday night. I don't think a lot of people are going to be playing. Let's go ahead and see how we do. Gonna put $1 million in just to get us started. To see if we can get one good win. Darn. That's not good. Alright, 15th right now. Alright, I think we can maintain. If we drop down to 200 million, I'm gonna drop the bet. Oh, that was 8 million. Good hit, good hit. 4th place. Dang, someone's playing big. We will watch Titans, dude. She wants to watch Bird Box, and I've been meaning to watch it too, but she already watched it without me. So, but we want to watch it together, so we're gonna watch it together for sure. Let's see. I hope people on YouTube are gonna be able to see the chat. So I'm gonna do the stream replay. Ooh, that's a good 4 million. See, I'm still falling behind. I'm only in 7th place right now. Oh, there we go. We got some more points here. I'd very much like to get some more wins. See, the problem with slot tournaments is you gotta bet as big as you can and keep going as fast as you can. But slot tournaments are hard. Slot tourneys are hard. I really want to play one in real life just to see how much we rack up, see how well those things really work. So I never have the bankroll to do anything insane, like just rapidly smack a button and be like, million every spin, million every spin, million every spin. I've never been able to do that. It's insane. I mean, it's crazy to be able to do that. So, I never do it. Oh, that's 5 million. Okay. It's reasonable. We're doing alright. We're getting these little spikes here and there. Okay, cool. We're doing good. Alright, we got about 12 minutes left on this, a little under 12 minutes. I just want to see if we place. Dropping down. Oh, man. 11th. I'm eligible for 19 million. Oh, 27 million. All right. Oh, it's another 8 million. How am I doing? How am I doing? Am I seriously still losing? I don't know what you get if you win. 7th, 6th, and 10th place. It's only a 14 million chip prize pool though, so I'm putting a lot into this for getting a very minimal prize. I think maybe you shouldn't play slot tournaments. Maybe that's what it is. Just don't play slot tournaments. But I keep dropping. I don't want to drop. I want to be top tier. I want to be top tier. Oh, 6th place. 6th place. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Oh yeah, and we're still getting loyalty points too, so we're racking up the loyalty points here. This is a free trip to Mirage. Dang, I really wanted that jackpot. That would have been banging. Just a major jackpot right there. How crazy would that have been? Major jackpot on stream would have been great. It's gonna be four in a row. It's gonna be four of a kind. No, I have so very little control over slots, and it always just gets me because I have I can't, determine how much I'm fixing to win here. And there's the experience, and I got the wins. I don't know how much I'm supposed to win. I think it's more spins at this point. I'm just supposed to get 50 spins. So I'm still in the top 10 right now. It's been 5 minutes. I'm still in the top 10. I really wish I would have started the tournament. So I'm only in 8th place now. I feel like I'd be in the top 4 otherwise. No, apparently I wouldn't be. Apparently I wouldn't be. Man, that carry is just killing us here. I'm sorry, guys. I gotta step it up. But I don't got the bankroll to step it up like that. Oh, there we go. There's the challenge. And we beat the daily challenge, guys. We beat the daily challenge. That's another 2 million to help us out a little bit there. There's a small bet multiplier on that. Alright, let me jump that up a little bit. Alright, let me hit 5 million. No. Okay, there's another. Let's see how we do. Dang. Yeah, we're just not doing anything, even at 5 million. Ooh, come on, come on, come on. No whammy, no whammy. Yeah, I'm gonna drop down to 250. I messing around on stream. I'm losing too many chips here. As soon as I hit 250, I'm dropping the bet. Yeah, this is ridiculous. Oh, 20 million. Okay, we picked up some. And we actually dropped down in ranking. Actually, it's the sad part. I thought we had this. I don't think we have this, guys. I'm sorry. It's killing these level ups, though. Yeah, we do not have this. We're barely in the top 10. Only going to be worth 1 million to us. Alright, let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Million to spin. Let's keep it moving fast. Not sure if we can maintain that top 10, guys. Alright, I think after a couple spins, I'm going to jump it up to a big one. Alright, let me see. Oh, see, that would have been a good one for a big spin. Can you imagine if I had done that at like 10 million? That would have been 100 million. That would have been everything. But you know what? You can't predict slot machines, and that's part of it. You just can't predict a slot machine. That's a big problem, the problem with slot machines. So you can't predict them. So there's no real strategy to them. You just go, you put as much as you can out there as quickly as you can. Oh, there we go. That's 5 million. Wonder what 10 million gets us. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we pushed it down to 200 million too fast, guys. I'm sorry. I burned us out. I burned us right the hell out. Oh, that's 100 million. Did we jump up to 3rd place? Too strong, too strong. We hit the top 10. We hit the top 10. That was actually dope. I think manually changing the bet just at random intervals is helpful. Actually, we should have walked away after we hit that 100 million. That'd have been cool, because we're still 4th place right now, but we still got 5 minutes to play. Oh, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know, guys. What are we going to do? We're going to watch Titans after this. Or Bird Box. I don't know. I don't know what we're watching. Watching Bird Box. I think that's on Netflix. It's on Netflix, so definitely watching that for sure. Very much like a jackpot. I don't see that. I don't foresee that happening. Let's see how we do. Oh man, just killing these level ups too. Eventually I'm gonna have too many loyalty points to go through too. I'm already to the point where I have too many loyalty points to like spend in one sitting. So it doesn't really matter. Let's see how we do. Are we getting closer? Man, we got 4 minutes left. I like being in 4th place here, but we got 4 minutes left. Everyone's watching Titans after this. Ooh. Okay. Another 100 million. How'd that do? How'd we do here? Alright, I have 344 million. Next closest guy has... Okay. Actually, you know, we are in striking distance, guys. I think we can push this. I think we should push this. We're definitely within like one big win distance of beating this. No way, no way. 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes to go in the 4th quarter. And they want to give us 400,000. Because that's what the perfume pays. I didn't think we'd be in triple digits already. Let's see how we do. Come on, let's get another good one. I need a good 5 of a kind, really. Oh. 4 million chips for winning something. These are celebration chips. Guess we just need like 50 balloons or something like that. I don't know why I can keep going. Another level up. I guess we're just gonna keep killing these level ups and then take the chips. All right, that was 3 of a kind, so that should be something. I'd very much like to just line these cats up, see if we get anything else. Nope. I feel like playing this manually is actually doing a lot better for us. Maybe increase the bet a little bit. This is really poor slot strategy in general. Because slots don't, I know, slots don't really have a strategy though. There we go. Repeat pay feature. Oh! Oh! That's 50 million! We get a bonus spin! Let's do it! Let's do it! Repeat pay. How we do? What is that? What is that? 50 million creds. Come on. Another 50 million? Come on. Oh. Dang. That was dope, though. That was dope. I'd never seen the bonus for this game before. Actually, I'm gonna check our placements. I don't think we're in striking distance of the. Oh, we are in striking distance of the winner. We're very much in striking distance. If we get one killer bet. Oh, repeat feature! Let's get that last repeat, guys. If we can get that repeat, though. Let's see how that bonus spin goes. We got 30 seconds. If we can get that 25 million, I think we win. Because we were within 20 million. Alright, come on, 12 and a half. Come on, 12 and a half. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright. Guys, we might win this. We might win this. All right, I gotta skip that. That's taking up too much damn time. Oh! Another 12 and a half. Skip it, skip it. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Oh, GG. GG, who won? Who won? I don't know who won. Okay. Whoa, that was it. That was it, guys. I'm not sure if we won. How'd we do? How'd we do? Doesn't tell us if we won or not, guys. I don't know. Shoot. Let me see. Let's do the tournament. Let's check the winnings. Oh, man. That doesn't show us. I thought we won. I thought we won. I don't know. We walked away with a lot more chips than we started. Oh, wait. Maybe this is it. How'd we do? How'd we do? Oh, we got the bronze. We got third place. I thought we won that. I thought we got away with it. Hey, you know what? It's 10 million chips. We actually did do really good. That's great. We got a whole bunch of loyalty points for it. You know, I'm going to collect it. That's GG. Do we collect it again? What's going on? Okay. It's just blowing us up here. It's blowing us up for sure. All right. Nice. Okay, guys. I think we did great. I don't think we can top that for the day. I got to end the stream here. So, on that bombshell, Ace of Vegas is signing out. Happy spinning, you guys. But good game. Great luck. I'm only playing this game with you guys from now on just because that was amazing. That was great. All right. Cheers to that.